I started my live. How long does YouTube take to realize that I'm live? Uh, I started. We are live. Awesome. How long does YouTube? Cool. We're back, boys. We're back. Editor. That's um open anti-gravity. Maybe we can have some non-copyright music playing in the background. Always good to have some kind of music. How do I play non-copyright music? Let's go. YouTube non-copyrighted music. Non-copyright music playlist. Let's just go playlist. Fine, let's just go a bit. Uh, chill music. Is that no instrumental? It'd be funny if I get a copyright. Wait, how do I reduce? Okay, I guess that's fine. Right, we're back. Yeah, so we were seeing this implementation. And I really need to reduce the volume of this copyrighted music. This is the lowest I can get. I mean, it's pretty loud for me, that's the problem. My headphones is quite strong like that. It's a HyperX Cloud 3. Well, no, let's just keep it like that. Yeah, so we have, you know what? No music. Yeah, so setup, remove all the 6 diffuse cards, shuffle the remaining cards, deal 7 cards, give 1 diffuse, 8, that's correct. 0 remaining cards back in the deck, turn flows, 2 of a kind, that's right, that's right. So we have a go.mod file. Basically, a go.mod file is like a packages.json. If you use JavaScript or a requirements.txt or a toml file or a make file if you use C. So that's basically what a go.mod file is. Basically, it has all your dependencies listed there. So main.go, setup cores, sure, yes. Game manager, sure. I mean, this is into the implementation. Um, yeah. So I think that's fine. Only thing is, do we have cool, uh, good card animation? Let's see, card animation. We need that CSS. What is that? Pen or something? There's a website, pen something. Um, card distribute animation CSS. Uh, you know what? I'll just let this take over. Let's go back to history so that we have our awesome. Okay, implement this plan. Let's just implement this. Meanwhile, we will just exist. Give me a minute, I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. Wait, what's happening here? Go for VS Code? Oh, do I need to set up the extension? Sure, I'll get Golang if we need it. It's already there. Gemini CLI companion. Pretty interesting that that's an option there. Why is there a UUID? No way. To generate a UUID? Card type, exploding kitten, diffuse. Okay, is this even visible? Definitely feel I need to change the theme. Let's go with One Dark Pro. A pretty cool theme. Trust the publisher, install. Yes, I mean, I use OneDark. Let's go back to the. I mean, sure, like darker. No. Set color theme. Maybe this. Ah, much better. Sure. Don't like red though. That's the problem. Like, okay, let's just look quickly. Error game not found. Yeah, sure. Max play is 5, min play is 2. Number. Nope. Window milliseconds. Oh, that's pretty cool. So there's a 5-second window for someone to play the nope card. Okay, that's nice. Game, game state, code players, mutex. Why mutex though? Kind of confused. Ah, so that two people starting a game at the same time for that game ID. I mean, okay, so you lock it, and defer is basically you. This runs at the end of this function. So this is equivalent to putting this code all the way at the end. But generally people use defer, which basically says run at the end of the life cycle of this function. So that's what defer is. So you're locking it, then you're creating the game is alive. Interesting. I wonder why that field is there. ID, code, status players, draw pile, discarded pile, makes sense. Current players. I mean, so the thing is, in this game, you would never have to like shuffle, like, so let's say you're playing Uno. Once you discard the entire pile, you'll have to shuffle it and keep it again. That's one benefit in this game, that you don't have to do that. Like, the game always ends when the pile ends. So that's pretty cool. Okay, join game. So this is all the socket part of it, I think. Just join the game, start the game, setup game, sure. Hmm. Deck and all that stuff. Hands a player. Okay, so I guess for sure. Step 4. So deal 7 cards, then give everyone a diffuse card. Makes sense. Insert the kittens back into the pile at random places. Is there a random? Ah, okay. There's a shuffle deck function, which is called, and which shuffles the deck. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Sure, run. Maybe I don't have Go installed. Well, that could be a potential problem. Do you have Go installed? I should have, I guess. Like, I remember studying Go in this so the context is, I have a MacBook, which is a laptop where I do most of the coding, and that's where I primarily type Go code in. I mean, here I didn't know if I had Go, so yeah. So it's, I think, able to build the server. Is it? I guess it should be. Not sure. Okay. So get game, remove player. Wonder why this is there. Like, do you vote kick a player or something? I mean, probably just. Yeah. Okay. Fine. That's the first thing. Combos. Validate combos. Combo 2 of a kind. Cards match. So type, it's a string. Mm-hmm. Check if two cards match for combo purposes. Cards match if they have the same type or interesting. Okay, that's the combos. So basically, you can name any card that you want, which makes sense. Manager done. Cards. Let's see. Exploring Kitten, Taco, Harry Potato, Catamelion, Rainbow Ralph, Beard. Sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Create game deck. What does this do? Shuffles the deck for gameplay without exploring kittens. Okay, so basically you have six, what, 46 empty cards. This is not game deck. Dot append full deck. Create full deck. Create full deck does what? Oh, sorry, that's not create full deck. Where is create full deck called? So somewhere here. Let's search create full deck. Okay, there it is. Hey, someone's here. Who's here? Sheesh is here. My Sheesh, don't say anything, they'll get my stream banned. Hello.
Streaming.
I am streaming, so don't say anything that
I
can.
don't see the stream, bro.
What do you mean, bro? Stream, bro. Live, I
I
am.
stream Discord.
I mean, I'm
Oh,
streaming
you're
on
live.
Discord, yes, but I'm also streaming.
You're not.
Hey, live, bro. See, live.
You're not streaming on Discord. I don't see the stream.
Oh, I'm not streaming on Discord. Nigga. Oh, wait, shit. Phew.
Nice.
Pretty cool, bro. Backend did off nicely. Play cards, handle,
Oh, by the
play.
way, uh, if you tell the AI to if like let's say I attach a documentation of a proprietary commands for a software, can analyze it and give me some scripts.
I need more context. What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean.
No, let's say I'm working with a tool.
Mm.
Okay, it's some language. Let's say some tool like internal tool by Intel, for example.
Mm.
Okay, so I want to make my job easier by writing scripts which can fix my issues and like in that tool, that tool. So
Yeah.
that tool has its own set of commands and everything.
Yeah.
So if I paste the documentation
If it has
for all the
docs,
commands,
yeah, if it has docs, it should be able to. Plus, if you have source code,
no,
it's even
the thing
better.
is here the doc is not like a PDF file. It's like a man page. So it's like shell. You just do man and for each command.
Sure, I mean, yeah, you can do that. Like, as it's
So
anyway
you're saying I
text,
can tell
yeah.
the AI to do man every time and see
Yeah, you can do that. It has to be a good LLM though. Can't be a shitty LLM. It has to be a very good LLM, like Claude
like
or
let's see what the Intel guys are using.
if you have,
Uh,
yeah, tell me what they have. Tell you.
Claude's model is Claude Sonnet 4.
Sonnet 4 is good. Should be able to do. If you have 4.5, it's better. If you have GPT 5.2, 5.1 or GPT 5, that's also good.
You change it. Change the thing over.
Oh, do you know? So, do you know there's this concept in in Go. So Go doesn't have object-oriented programming. So
Yeah,
do you know it has
let's
this?
see.
You know it has this thing called defer. Basically,
I don't.
so let's say you have lock. You lock something. You know
Uh,
how locks semaphores,
yeah,
mutex,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. I know, I
So
know.
you lock
Yeah.
something, and usually at the
Mhm.
end of the function you want to unlock it, so that the other thing can use
Yeah,
it. So instead of
yeah.
you going and writing at the end of the thing, you can just put defer and give the command, and it always executes it at the end of the life cycle of that function.
No, but depends on which function, right?
No, anything, anywhere. Let's say you're running any function. When you put defer, it always executes at the end of the function.
End of that, let's say there's a function inside a function.
Yeah,
So yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to put defer at the global function or
depends where you want to
inside the.
use defer. So let's say I have a lock here, then I have another function inside here, which is being called. For
Mhm.
example, this is a function that's being called inside here.
Yeah.
So this is part of this function scope. So it'll be called at that scope where it's defined.
Oh. Hmm. Yeah, that's
So this is
nice.
because like people like if you have lock, sometimes you might even forget to put like unlock at the end. So you just put lock and just
Yeah.
next line just write defer unlock and stuff. It runs at the end of the function. Pretty cool.
Hmm.
Go has some pretty cool stuff.
But yeah, it's Go is like too. I think Go is more low level than C or C++ or
Hey, it's
okay,
not
not
low
C++,
level.
maybe.
Where bro, low level.
It's like maybe object-oriented program, like Python, bro, at
Go
least.
is not
It's
low
more low
level,
level than
bro.
Python. No, like it's low level compared to Python.
I don't think so.
Yeah, but
Uh,
it's not entirely low level. Let's say okay, you compare with Python and let's see which one is more lower. I think Go is lower because I don't think Python has this mutex knowledge,
I
right?
mean, sure, yeah, yeah. That of course threads and all. Go has access to
Yeah, yeah.
threads and all that. Sure. I mean, Python
Integrated
doesn't
mode.
really have. Does Python what
Python
is
is nothing, bro. It don't
have
have anything.
what is that? Multi-threading? Don't think so. I mean, but is that even the actual one? Like I know it runs. What is it? GIL? Do you know what a GIL is?
Nope.
Hey,
I think it's an internal library for Python. I just read it somewhere just now.
no, there is something that Python cannot do. Multi-threading or multi-processing? Maybe it might be multi-processing.
Oh, global interpreter locked. That's GIL, by the way.
Multi-processing, maybe it doesn't. Like there's the library, yes, but I don't think that actually does multi-processing or something like that. I mean, I don't know. I remember someone saying something like that. Where front end it's creating
I
client.
know for C++, you have to write that. Like you can manually write it like unlock and all that, right?
I mean, even for Go you have to write unlock. Actually, where did I even do like OS? I don't remember where did I do locks and all. Which language did we do all that in?
C, bro. Should be, I think, what
Is
do you see?
locks in C? I don't remember actually. Bro, what is it doing?
Yeah, putting images, bro.
Locks in, how does it look, bro?
All that, some critical section and all that shit was probably in C only.
Oh, could be. I think so. Yeah, C. Or it's not Java. It wasn't Java. No, I think we did it in. Did we do it in Python? I don't know.
Wait,
C or Python.
this is C, right?
This is C.
C plus whatever.
I mean, this is C. But yeah.
Pthread join. Yeah, I remember this.
Pthread. Hmm. No, we did multiprocessing in Python. I remember that. But yeah, nobody cares. PM run build. I think it's done. The game is done. Let's see. Yeah, bro, found 4 errors it seems. Just hope the game doesn't look shit, bro. Bro, why is there emojis, bro? Why is stupid? These LLMs have this tendency to put so many emojis.
I mean, is that causing the error? I don't think so.
Doesn't cause error, but it just looks ugly.
I mean, it's a game, bro. Just
Bro, these emojis are for like cards and players and all of that stuff. Wait, does it have assets? Bro, assets, reactive cards. How does it look, bro? Card. Oh no, way, it's designed the card, bro. Fix, bro. Fix these unused imports. Oh, in Go you cannot have unused imports. Like the compiler itself doesn't compile
uh,
if you
uh,
have unused imports. Throws an error.
I mean, what is the drawback of just having it unused?
It's
Runtime?
not efficient. Like, why would you have an unused import? Like, you're not using it. Like, what's the point of having it?
Mm.
It has to load those libraries and all. Like, if it's a third-party library, just think how big, how massive that could be. Have like just import numpy and you're not using
Yeah.
it. Where, bro, use state it's not using. But I guess that's part of the linter rules. Is there a lint here? Yes, lint. Yeah.
Yeah, even you have lint here, huh? I thought lint was only a this thing, hardware concept.
What do you mean, bro? How is I mean, linter is code concept.
Yeah. Oh, code concept. Okay.
Like we have very strict linters where I work. There, like, you have to put a period after a comment, bro.
Lint is
When
basically a check for errors, no?
not errors, it's to keep a standard. I mean, errors, yeah,
Mm.
but like for example,
Standard.
unused import is not technically an error, but your lint can configure that to become an error. And for example, whenever you have a function that can be used by other libraries, you should probably add a comment on
Mm.
top. So for example, I'll show you. So if you have seen like functions, generally they have like things written like when I hover over this, you see this create game new this thing. You see this, right? Like whenever you hover over a function, it tells you what it
Uh,
does. You know how that comes?
uh,
That comes because you just give a comment on top of it. So whatever you give there comes here.
wait. So is this a Go feature or is it like a
No, like
general?
a lot of languages have this, but in Go, it's as simple as whenever you're exporting a function, just add like a comment on top, so that becomes the thing of the function. In Python, I think you have to use a doc string, something where I should have accepted that WebSocket thing. I mean, Python has like Python function export comment. I mean, inside the function, you do something like that. Yeah, like
Mm.
this. If you give something like this and you hover over add, it tells
Docstring, yeah.
it has something like that.
I remember this.
Okay, front end is running. Now let's see how front end looks. Localhost 5173. Create game, join game. I will create game. Why is it so laggy, bro? Shreyas. Interesting.
Wait, why can't you create a server?
What do you mean?
Well, like I know Rahul creates his own server and hosts it. And we can play.
I mean, it's better if it's like hosted some like not on my laptop, no. Then
No,
you
bro,
have to.
Rahul hosts on his laptop only.
I mean, sure you can do that, but like, uh, Rahul. Let's see if this works. Click to copy. Hey, nice. Okay, start game. Let's see how this goes. Hey, there, bro. Hey, nothing's coming. Bruh. Bro, something's broken. Cancel this. Cancel this. Let me run it on my. Okay. Let's keep front end here. Allow. Okay, maybe that was the issue. It wasn't allowing that. And then front end. Okay, fine, bro. Accept all. I don't care. Okay, let's retry. Insane. It's kind of real things it struggles, bro. Intel, Micron. Damn, Western Digital is up 100%, bro. For me.
What?
Micron is 137%. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
Micron.
Bro,
Huh?
137 insane.
Micron's gonna go even higher.
And I also bought this Rocket Lab USA. It's gone up by 57%. Lam Research has gone up by 60%. AMD 60%.
AMD, yeah.
Alphabet 60%. Broadcom 6%, eh? What happened to Broadcom, bro? It was doing well. Where suddenly it's gone down.
Uh, Broadcom is being their market share is reduced.
But why?
Qualcomm has overtaken.
Interesting.
And Broadcom is just mostly for all this around Wi-Fi routers and everything. Like the chips inside the networking towers, like AT&T and all that shit.
Mm-hmm.
So that Qualcomm has overtaken.
Interesting. Maybe I should. Isn't Qualcomm CEO some Punjabi guy?
No, that is Micron C.
Hey,
Sanjay
oh, bro.
Mehrotra.
Some Sony, bro. Qualcomm.
Qualcomm CEO is Cristiano, bro. Cristiano M1.
Hey,
Yeah,
then
Cristiano
who's
M1.
Qualcomm Sony, bro? Some Sony guys there.
Sony.
Sony Indian.
What do you mean?
Maybe this guy. What's his name? Savi Sony. Savi Sony.
What? Maybe Qualcomm lead or something. President, Qualcomm India, he's the lead. Obviously, he's going to be an Indian.
Qualcomm India, bro. Then where, bro? Thought.
I think Qualcomm is the most well-run company ever.
Why?
Bro, like they're very brutal. Like they don't give a fuck about the employees. Like they don't care if you're sick. Like They don't care if you're sick or something, as long as the project completes. Like like
I mean,
every
isn't that like every
every
company?
year.
What do you mean?
No, no, bro, there's no chance. Every year they complete, I think, three times as many projects as Intel, two times as many projects as AMD, and you know what? There's one term called time to market. You might have heard of it.
Mm-hmm.
So like, let's say if a product you're designing something, the time to market is like how much time it takes for the product to be designed and already start selling. So Qualcomm is like the highest in across all companies.
Interesting.
Yeah, the work culture there is fucked.
Start game.
People leave the company depressed.
Qualcomm.
Yeah. You see Rahul, you know Rahul's friend, right? The girl,
No. What about her?
Kalyani Kapoor. She she leaves office every day at 11 p.m.
What does she work as?
Software engineer only, I think.
Oh,
She goes at 7 a.m. comes by 11 p.m. The thing
interesting.
is, it pays really well.
I mean, the stock is down for
Pays really well.
Qualcomm. I don't know what you're saying. Like, from what I saw.
I mean, yeah. I mean, as of now, maybe it's gonna come. It's up, bro. Since last year, it's been up.
Interesting.
And I know even Nvidia has very bad work culture there.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's I don't know, like all the companies which have bad work culture are also the companies which are doing really good.
Interesting.
Coincidence would not make sense.
Maybe. Let's start game. Where, bro? Nothing happened. Socket call. Brother,
Yeah,
what
she
is
probably should probably put more money in my account. It's gonna go up by so much more.
Hmm.
Like it's worth more than AMD and Intel combined. I think.
Qualcomm's what? Share.
Micron, I think. Total market cap.
Why will Micron go up? Like, they sell RAM technology, no?
It'll go up easily, bro. It'll go up easily. I think by next year it'll double up. Oh yeah, you didn't see the recent earnings, sir?
Of Qualcomm.
Yeah, so okay,
I
so
saw
last year,
22nd Jan.
Qualcomm,
Micron has
not
reported.
Qualcomm, bro, Micron.
I'm saying Micron
Qualcomm now,
only.
yeah, so last year, the same
8.05
time,
billion to 13.64 billion.
yeah, that's like almost twice in just like 80, like, how much is that?
50% increase, bro.
9 months or 12 months? And by the way,
The
that is
profit
more
has
than
gone
Intel
up
and
by
AMD
what,
combined.
bro? Profit has gone up from 1.58 billion to 5.24. I mean, that's probably
Crazy.
only because of RAM, right? Like, people are wanting RAM.
Yeah, the demand is so much, bro, and it's going to keep increasing. And they have a monopoly. Like Micron's the only US company which does RAM. It's the only US company.
What, they build RAM? They sell RAM technology.
They design and they manufacture and they sell everything. They do everything from scratch.
Mm,
Like they made more money than Intel and AMD combined, bro, in one quarter. That's like, and they just do RAM. Like unlike Intel AMD, like we do both CPUs and processors and everything, GPUs and everything, but they just do RAM. That's it. They don't have any other segment.
interesting.
And they're building a fab in India. It's almost completed.
Interesting.
I think Modi paid like $2 billion grant. Not fuck, bro. It's insane. It's enough. Also, Micron does RAM, so the skill, like you say, the skills needed for memory
Mm-hmm.
is very different from skills needed for normal stuff, like normal software, normal hardware. That's why it's very hard to get into that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Should probably put more money in Micron, no?
I mean, like, I definitely think it's a bubble that's gonna burst.
It's not gonna. I mean I don't know. It might burst
I
for Nvidia
stopped.
or
I
something
stopped
big.
buying US shares. Like, I'm only doing mutual funds. Um,
Okay, you're saying you stop delivery shares, sir?
yeah. Micron or what? The result of the.
Chilling. Micron is chilling.
This is the problem with stupid front end, bro. So hard to debug. Used to be a time when I used to code all this shit.
I think if you look at the top 10 companies, Tesla is like the most overrated there. Like, there's no way a car company is worth fucking 1.4 trillion. Well, well, scam company. Hmm.
PE is 0.13.
Micron's up again, bro. Like, Micron is like worth more than AMD and Intel combined, and it's worth more than Netflix. So insane, bro. Okay. It's gonna go above Oracle, I think.
I mean, like, I thought after the China exit, Micron will go down.
Yeah, bro. But I thought I just sold off like an idiot.
Glad I did not sell.
Bro, scam.
I mean, I don't know why you would sell something like so quickly. Oh shit,
I
power
thought I
cut,
get
bro. I can't have to end stream again now, bro. Where, bro? How much power cut will happen?
have a UPS.
I do, but it doesn't last. It's a problem, bro. Kill myself, bro. This doesn't work. Hey, let's go. Your turn. Draw a card. Wait. Oh, this definitely needs to look better, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me see if the power has cut. Yeah, power has cut. I have to end stream. Annoying, bro.